Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing on these gel polish that I have purchased on Amazon. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open up my package and show you guys the kind of gel polishes that I got. So this is the gel polish kit that I purchased. It was around $20 something. I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing the Joytii Gel polishes. So you actually can receive 20 colors with 3 extra gel polish, so I guess like the base coat and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Let me just scoop this in here. So it gives you a manual on how to use the polish, and then it also gives you this right here, which I don't think I need this. And it do come with this little protective cover on top, so that is good. These are all the colors that you receive. You get H1 all the way to H20, and I guess these are the extra polishes, but it do say that you get 3 extra polish. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what these are, and then I'll go through all of these. So the first color or polish is the Joytii Matte Top Coat, and this is salon quality soak off gel, UV LED cured. This is 8 millimeters. Yeah, so it looks like this. Don't mind my nails. I'm gonna do my nails again soon. Hopefully I'm gonna film a video of it. But yeah, and then the next color or polish under that is, wait, what's this? A top coat? Oh, okay, so this is the matte top coat. See, I wasn't reading. And then this is the regular gel top coat. Oh, right here. And then right here we have the base coat. It says base coat with the, wait, does it have it like that? Anyways, yeah, it says base coat right here. And then for this one, we also have another base coat, but it says A this time. You see? It says A right here, and then it says B right here. So I don't know what that means, but I guess they're both base coat because it says base coat. So this is how it looks like. Alright, and don't mind my voice, I literally just like woke up, so that is why. And I just received my package, so yeah. Alright, so the first color we have is H01, then we have H02, H03, H04, H05, H06, H07, H08, H09, we have H10, H11, H12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my gosh, I just now noticed this. This gel polish right here actually came busted. Oh my gosh. How the heck? I mean, like, it is a pretty color. If you hear like walking or like sound behind me or whatever, it's my son, so don't mind him. You know, he's always loud. Anyways, this polish right here is in the color H05. It actually came busted, which is really sad. Actually, this color, I don't really wear colors like this, but you know, you never know who likes this color. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how this color looks like. It's like this really purple magenta color. It's really pretty though, but it came busted, but I guess it'll be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches. So I literally just went to the nail supply store like I think 2 days ago just to get me some swatch sticks because I didn't have any and I need it for this gel polish set. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches, and I'll be right back. So for the swatches, I'm gonna go from H01 to H05. Like, I'm just gonna go like horizontally, so that'd be much easier instead of doing vertical, so you had to do like a whole bunch. So I'm just gonna do them horizontally. bye.